Hello student, we are just going to start the question answer of the chapter 6 Natural Vegetation and Wildlife. In previous video we already discussed multiple choice question, match the following and very short answer question. Now today we discuss short answer question. First question is to distinguish between evergreen and deciduous forest. Both are types of forest, but the differences between the evergreen, according to their name, evergreen means always green, no shade their leaves. Answer is, in evergreen forest, tree do not shed their leaves in any specific season and they live in the warm temperature, while deciduous forests shed their leaves in a specific season and lies in cool temperature place. Second one, tropical and temperate grassland. In tropical grassland, rainfall ranges is in the between of 25 centimeter to 75 centimeter, and few short trees are found, while in temperate grassland rainfall is very low and trees are absent here. Why do trees shed their leaves in dry season? Trees shed their leaves during dry season in the order to conserve water, for water conservation. They shed their leaves in dry season. Question number third, why do softwood trees have great commercial value? Softwood trees have great commercial value. Softwood trees have great commercial values because these trees are used in manufacturing paper and newsprint. These woods is also used in making furniture, matchstick, plywood and sport goods. The example of softwood trees is cheer, pine, cedar, fir and Asparagus are the main species found in coniferous tree. These are softwood trees. How do shrubs and some trees survive in hot desert? The trees that found in hot desert have long root, thick stem, waxy leaves and thorns, which help to survive in the harsh climatic condition. Fifth, what is another name of tropical grassland? Write any two features. The other name of the tropical grassland is savannas. Many part of the tropical grassland is used for grazing or farming. The grassland are the home of herbivores like zebra, deers, etc. Last 6 number question, why is there very limited vegetation in the Ladakh region? You know that Ladakh, most of the area is covered with snow. Answer is, Ladakh is covered with white snow called cold desert. Due to this, there is very limited vegetation in Ladakh region. Due to snow or cold desert, vegetation are found but limited vegetation. Okay, thank you very much. In next video we discuss about long answer question of this chapter. It's long question answer of this chapter. Okay, thank you very much.